Steve, what the fuck is happening to the dock shard?
That's just the sonar from the submarine. You never seen a submarine before.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
What's happening?
They're coming to the vessel.
Oh no, they're going airborne.
They stole
Nah, that's me, bro. I'm getting to the boat.
I'm crying.
I've been locked inside of a bus.
The submarine is just beeping.
I'm gonna get out of the bus.
At times I feel like your personal.
Stuck in this fucking bus.
I'm in.
I'm trying to get you out.
20 bucks.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
It's very hard to
Really
stop.
building.
I'm trying to stop it, but it won't slow
I'm
down.
actually crying.
You just gotta run towards it.
Step back.
I'm slowing it down, and it won't go below 13 miles an hour.
We need to get our vessel back. They stole it.
Here, I'm turning it around. Hopefully, you can get in time.
Alright, here, let me see if I can try and like get a turret. Maybe.
Get in.
Why everyone stop beeping?
Just run through the middle of it. There you go.
It's so hard.
I got it stuck. It cannot be that hard to get in.
I can't get
I
in.
swear.
wait,
How
wait,
can I get in? Just right click and press E.
One submarine wasn't enough to detect the guy coming from behind
won't
us.
let
and
me-
spawning
oh, wait, there you
the second-
Okay, there you go. Go.
Thank God. And switch seats.
What the
You're in a precarious situation. Oh, we
What
did
the
it. Everything